This is HUAWEI NOVA 11i, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. Firstly, you will need to find and launch the app gallery. Then, at the search bar, input the, Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can either initiate its installation directly from the search results or also open its web page and tap at the install button over there. Doesn't really matter what route you'll go for, since it will anyway lead you to the identical results. So now give it a few seconds to be downloaded and installed, and once it does, launch the app. In here, tap at the continue button, then decide if you would like to set Opera as your default browsing app right off the bat, or you can skip this step. And at this final page, you can either customize the permissions and, the level of data collection you would like for this app for the Opera to have and access to, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.